Hey everyone, my name is Pedro Romero, and I'm a solution consultant here at ServiceNow. And today I'm excited to talk about a new feature that's coming out with our Utah release surrounding software contract renewals and giving you a calendar to better visualize when those contracts are set to expire. Before we jump in anything, this is a safe harbor notice. This is for our legal team, but we might have some forward-looking statements in here, so feel free to pause and read this if you need to. But jumping right in, within ServiceNow, we're enhancing how you manage your software spend in licensing. And one of the many great feats that we have is the ability to monitor and renew your software contracts and entitlements from a single platform. That's something we are already capable of doing. But in Utah, we take that a step further with our renewals calendar, which is what we're looking at here. With our renewals calendar, you're able to get visibility on all your contracts and entitlements that are set to expire in the next 60 days, in the next 90 days, all the way up to the next 150 days, ultimately giving you enough time to prepare for those renewals across your SaaS and on-prem software. And this is going to allow you to avoid those last-minute fire drills and allow you to be more proactive when it comes to contract planning, contract budgeting, etc. And with that said, let's take a look. So in the software asset workspace, there's now a new option to jump into our renewal calendar. And this is going to pull up a view for all your contracts and entitlements that are set to expire. So we can go and do that from here, the left side of your screen. You'll see this renewal calendar. And then again, it's pulling all those contracts and entitlements that are set to expire within a certain time frame. So right now we're looking at expirations in the next 90 days, but we can even look at the next 60 days, the next 150 days, really giving you options there. And then we also allow you to visualize what you need. So for example, if we only cared to look at our Microsoft contracts today, what we could do is go over here and we can filter down to Microsoft and look at those contracts and entitlements and make decisions based on that. We also have the ability to group these. So right now, these are grouped by our cost centers so that we can go in and see how much is being spent under our engineering cost center, for example. And then when it comes to taking action, let's say we have this contract here that we see is set to expire. We can drill into this and get at a glance details here on the right for us to know what's going on, what's the context, what do we need here, and then make decisions on renewals. And then when we're ready to renew, we can even directly from this view, hit this renewal button to go out and initiate our renewal workflows that track the different stages of the renewal and ensure we get that contract to renew prior to being expired. Now, who's going to benefit from this? Think about your IT admins or maybe your SAM managers, overall, whoever's responsible for your contracts for software. And this will allow them to make better decisions when it comes to planning, when it comes to budgeting, when it comes to renewals, all from this clean UI for them to stay on top of all their contracting. That's all I had for the demo. So let's jump back into our slides. Hopefully you all got excited for this feature, and I hope it can drive more progress when it comes to managing those contract renewals. Please continue to check out some of these videos for the features coming out with Utah. And again, my name is Pedro Romero, and it was my pleasure to walk you guys through all that. Thank you so much.